Hello, so this is a demo of a project that I've done in the Robotics Lab at Columbia University. Okay, so let's get started. So I first start the gazebo world. Okay, so that's the gazebo world, and start RVs. So in RVs, you can visualize what's going on in the gazebo world more clearly. And now I'll start a program which allows you to make choices using your eye. So the first choice we're gonna make is to choose a room for the robot to go. It takes some time to calculate the pixel coordinates of the bounding boxes on the screen. And we can choose how many seconds we want to run. And because the eye tracker collects around 90 data points in 1 second, so as long as you run it over 0.015 second, it can tell the choice that you make. And this is the background programming that is running on the Windows machine to collect your data point. And this data is using lab streaming layer to pass to this machine. So I will run it for 1 second, and I will use my eye to choose room number 2. So, and then I confirm to go to the next step, and you can see that the choice is number 2. So it goes to room number 2, which is the living room. And then it runs this bunch of calculation to calculate the pixel coordinates of the bounding box again. And then this time I can choose which table to let the robot go to grab something. And I run it 1 second again. I will use my eye to choose number 1. And you can see the output in the program that number 1 is the result, and I just used my eyes. So a cool thing about this method is no matter how you turn your camera, or how you change the position of the camera, or how you deploy the markers, it can always return the correct pixel coordinates of this word point with a maximum error of 4 pixels. So the third demo is to show the overall accuracy of the whole system, to figure out what's the minimum size of bounding boxes that we can detect. So this time I make the bounding box very, very small. You can see that the bounding box is very small, so we want to test if I can still correctly choose bounding box using my eye. So I will run it for 1 second again. Oh, let's try 2 seconds to show that it's really parameterized. 2 seconds. I'll just choose room 2. See, didn't touch anything, and the output is room number 2. And it asks, do I want to run the accuracy test again? So I don't want to run it again, and then I will terminate the program. So, and the result I get is 16 pixels for these bounding boxes, and that's the minimum bounding boxes size that I can detect using the system, taking into account all these error sources. that's the demo. Thank you.